today. And today's video, I'm changing my spark plug, and I run into a little problem. I was gonna make a video on it because it's a 4-cylinder engine. You don't really all you just need is the tool to do that. It's not that complicated. The spark plug is right on the top. So all I have to do is take them out and put them in. But I run into a little problem, so I'm decided to shoot a video on that. Alright, so the spark plug break off into the engine, and a lot of people might not know to get that out, so I'm making a video on how to get it out. So stay tuned and watch. Thanks for watching too. If you don't already subscribe to this channel, man, please leave a sub, or a like or whatever, to help out the boy grow his channel, man. Alright, thank you. Stay tuned. This is my little Civic. I just get a chance to start give it a tune up, but in the middle of the tune up, the spark plug that was in there too tight, or maybe they just never changed from however long the car was bought. But the side of the spark plug break off inside the engine. So if you know what a spark plug look like, this is what the spark plug look like in the regular. It's supposed to got the thread, all the thread part break off. So now this is what I got, and the other part, the thread part, is stuck in here. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it out. I'm gonna use like a big flat screwdriver or something like that, or something flat that fits exactly perfect in there, and then kind of wedge it in there and then turn it. I got 1 or 2 shots, so I'm hoping I can get it out by that way. Alright, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is the setup that I have to do. With the screwdriver, I kind of got like that thing on there for the tool, and I got the big pipe wrench out, and I just hear it pop. So I'm hoping that it's actually open for real, and not just something on stuff. I can't. Yeah, it is out because screwdriver got a whopper in there. So this is a good feeling, man. What? Where is it? Oh yeah, it is okay. I almost put myself. I thought it didn't come out. Here we go. Oh, feeling, guys. See, I gotta first have to knock the screwdriver in there, and if it's perfectly in there, and that's how I got it out. And it was still tight, but I did WD-40 it up. That's why it's so I don't mind burn that little WD-40 at the engine. It's gonna smoke when I just start it up, but I don't mind. The good thing is that I get it out. Alright, man, so if you guys ever run into a problem like this, that's how you do, man. Just wet the screwdriver and you do. So just get the perfect screwdriver that's wedged right in there. Then knock it a couple times with the hammer. Once you knock it, it'll be in there. Alright, man, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps somebody that really in need. Alright, guys, see you on the next video. Thank you.